I'm not talking to you, Harry.
Oh, she looked.
Years to come, and I'll be this big cat, and you'll remember that little ball of fluff.
She's just having fun with it. She won't stop ever.
Just having good fun with it.
Cat, don't scratch the cat.
Well,
The couch.
Cat scratch fever.
Would you
You
stop
drink
that?
more than those, I think.
I just took a very tiny.
What's she doing?
Great breakfast orange.
Oh.
Scratching the couch.
Oh, maybe you should pull it away from the couch a little bit then. There you go.
You need to get it out.
Oh, she's following you. Ah!
She's a smart little kitty.
Come on, play.
Hailey, walk with it very slowly on the ground. Walk through the room.
Aren't those rolls good?
I'm
They're
close
all-
behind
they're
you.
roads. They're in the freezer section.
Oh, you took them
Yeah.
to go.
You put them on the cookie sheets.
Bite a lot.
Just
Wow.
throw them out there.
Oh, oh,
You put
oh.
saran wrap over them.
She just pulled it right out of my hand.
Sweet.
Hang on, you play with that.
Just set it in there. And they rise and get it from one end to the other.
No.
No, she'll scratch the hell out of it. Dad.
Sorry, Grandma. I'll get it.
1 minute.
Dad.
Sorry, I'll get it off. Sorry, Grandma.
You do it
I did it on
one
purpose.
handful, one at a time. I mean, we-
I know you did.
Sure.
Come here.
Rolls.
She scratched me, I was going to hit you.
Just don't get too close to your toes, Goose. She'll get your toes. She won't know any better.
They're like $3.50 for
Yeah,
them.
her little claws.
Oh, yeah.
I picked her up. That was amazing.
Okay, that's
The
it.
little claw went right into my finger.
Isn't that amazing? It's more sharp than an adult
Then
cat.
I looked and all this blood was all up.
That reminds me too much of Sid.
Very sharp. Too. Very long.
Hey, watch my present, cat.
The frosting.
Oh, she likes that now.
Oh, no.
I got him.
How funny, Hailey. You're so good with her.
She just won't stop. She won't
Well,
even stop.
She'll only shop when you shop.
It was too much. And then now when I go
She
She was all
only
day.
stops when she has to go
stomach.
to sleep.
Wonderful breakfast. Wow.
That's it?
Yep.
Only when
you
she
go out
sleeps?
today, She'll go to sleep. She'll have a busy time.
What about when she goes potty?
Yeah.
You put her in the bathroom on a little mat. She'll sleep in there on the mat.
Oh, look at Kitty.
You know why we're going to Mama Paula's house? Then we'll have to.
Leave her.
When she
He's
starts
going to cage, I think. Put her in the back.
Oh, put her in the bathroom. And she can play in there.
But we're going to have to close the potty.
But I have to close the party, yeah, for sure.
Oh.
Do you have fun with her, kiddo?
Yeah, remember to close the potty when you... remember to close the potty when you put it in the bathroom.